Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you the hide link for closed items feature of the Checklists plugin. Firstly, I would like to tell you that this feature is available after version 3.1.15. So if you have this one or above version, you are going to have this feature available. If you have older version, before year 2018, then please update your checklist plugin. Okay, so let's move on and see how is this feature working. So you have to firstly make sure that the ticket has checklist items in it. We're going to use in our example the agile board and apply the checklists on the board just to see which issue has the checklists. Okay, so it is this one, and here are the items. And when you look here onto the top right corner, you see hide closed. Okay, so we see that we have 5 closed checklist items. And now if we click, we see that it is now show closed because they are now hidden, and this 5 in the brackets means that 5 issues are closed, 5 checklist items are closed. Okay, so by now we see that all these items are active, they are enabled and needs to be checked. Okay, if we try and check one, we see that it disappears from here and then goes here into the show closed. Okay, so we continue, one more. Okay, and 3 more. And we have now 10 closed issues that are hidden. And we have a couple more that have to be done. Alright, if you would like to again show them, just click here and they are shown. And if you would like to hidden again, just click. So this is the feature. I hope this video was good for you and you like it. Yeah, thank you very much for watching it, and bye bye for now.